Consistency is the hardest part of investing, not because it's complicated, but because life gets busy. You forget, postpone, and overthink. That's why automation is one of the best tools available to investors today. In this lecture, we will learn how to put your investing on autopilot, using simple tools like recurring deposits, automatic investments, and even built-in rebalancing. Once it's set up, you can grow your wealth with less effort, fewer emotions, and more peace of mind. In the words of Warren Buffett, success in investing doesn't correlate with IQ. What you need is the temperament to control the urges that get others into trouble. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to set up recurring contributions to your investment account, enable auto-investing into index funds, ETFs, or your chosen assets, understand what auto-rebalancing is and when to use it, create a hands-off routine that supports long-term growth. Why automate your investing? Let's be real. Life is busy. Between work, family, deadlines, and just trying to breathe, it's easy for investing to slip down the priority list. That's where automation becomes your best friend. When you automate your investments, even just a small amount each month, you take one more decision off your plate. And in a busy world, that's powerful. Automation does three key things. Removes decision fatigue. No more wondering, should I invest this month? Keeps your emotions out of it, especially when markets are volatile. Builds wealth quietly in the background, one deposit at a time. Set it and forget it. Your future self will thank you. Set up recurring transfers. Start with your bank. Choose an amount you can realistically commit to monthly, even $25 to $100 works. Set a recurring transfer from your checking account to your brokerage account on the same day each month, ideally right after payday. This small step builds the habit. And even if you forget about it, your money keeps quietly working for you in the background. That's the power of automation. Progress without pressure. Turn on Auto Invest. Most brokers now let you automatically invest money when it lands in your account. How it works: you pick an investment, like an index fund or ETF. The platform buys it for you every month with the money you transfer. No logging in, no buttons to click. Just set it once and let it run. Some popular platforms that offer auto investing include Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, M1 Finance, and SoFi. Some of these even allow for fractional shares, so you don't need to buy full shares to get started. Use auto rebalancing, optional. If you invest in multiple funds, like a 60-40 split between stocks and bonds, your percentages might drift over time as one grows faster than the other. Auto rebalancing resets your portfolio to your original target, so you don't end up with more risk than you planned for. Many robo-advisors and platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance do this automatically. Schedule a quick monthly check-in. Even with automation, it helps to stay aware. Once a month, glance at your investments. Check that your auto transfer worked. Make sure your investment choices still match your goals. Set a recurring calendar reminder and treat it like brushing your teeth. Quick, simple, routine.